Been the hottest day so far. We reckon it's been up to 30. I'm walking home now, 7:15, and it's still very, very hot. Just thought I'd record it, just to say how hot it is and how's everybody else coping with the heat. I don't personally like it. It's horrible. It's just too hot. But I've got a fan which I'm going to try out as soon as I get in. So the weather we have been having, like the hot weekend, 32 or more. Look at me now, flipping pissing, just pissing down, absolutely soaked, walking along rain in a t-shirt. Slight difference to the last time I come along this path, and it was a baking hot heat wave. Oh, this is bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is bad. I'm walking around in a t-shirt, and we've had a flipping great heat wave 2 days ago, and now it's like this, and I'm walking around in the rain in a t-shirt. Oh, I'm soaked. I'm soaked. Oh no.